How AI can transform your business in 2024, even if you're still figuring out your CRM. Let's be real. You're probably thinking, I haven't even nailed down my CRM, and now you want me to think about AI? I get it. Jumping into AI feels like learning how to fly a rocket when you're still mastering a bike. But here's the deal. While you're trying to sort out your CRM, your competitors are already tapping into AI to make smarter, faster decisions. You might think you're not ready for AI, but in 2024, waiting to be ready is a luxury no business can afford. Trust me, I've seen this scenario play out and time again. Businesses think AI is something for the tech giants while they stick to the tools they know. But just like the rise of the internet, AI is something everyone needs to adapt to, whether you're running a startup or a long-established business. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech expert to reap the benefits. Let me tell you a little story. I've been working in tech for over 50 years, and one thing has always been true. If you wait too long to adapt, you get left behind. I made my first million in my 20s when I designed software for the heavy construction market. Projects like the Fresno Dam and the John Wayne Airport were literally built using our software. Back then, people thought advanced tech wasn't necessary for their businesses. Fast forward a few decades, and we all know how that turned out. If you think AI is just another tech fad, think again. I've been the global CTO for an international PR firm, leading teams across 55 countries and working with brands like Microsoft, Apple, and Dell Technologies. And trust me, AI isn't just a shiny new tool for Silicon Valley. It's already transforming businesses in every industry. The frustration of being left behind, you've felt it, haven't you? That gnawing feeling when you realize you're doing everything right, great product, dedicated team, clear vision, but you're still getting outpaced. Your competitors are making decisions faster, optimizing their operations, and boosting customer satisfaction with AI-driven insights. Meanwhile, you're stuck spending hours trying to pull reports from your CRM, manually responding to customers, and juggling 100 other tasks. It's frustrating. I've seen it countless times. Companies too overwhelmed to take the leap into AI, only to match their competitors zoom ahead. But the worst part, AI can actually make things easier for you. It can automate those tedious tasks that steal hours from your day and give you data insights that drive better, more informed decisions. AI isn't just for the big guys. Here's where most people get it wrong. You don't need a multi-million-dollar budget or a team of tech experts to use AI. You don't have to build your own custom algorithms. In fact, most businesses start small, using AI to automate customer service responses or analyze customer behavior. You'd be amazed at how much time and money even the smallest AI implementation can save. Look, I've built over a dozen companies over the years, most of which have turned into 6 or 7-figure successes. And I didn't do that by ignoring the tech that's shaping the future. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's about knowing how to use it to make your life easier, not more complicated. Real world examples? Let me give you some perspective. A small online retailer I worked with last year thought AI was overkill for their business. They were manually tracking customer interactions and inventory and standard stuff. We implemented the simple AI-driven tool to analyze their customer purchasing habits, and within weeks, they were able to predict inventory needs and send personalized recommendations to customers. Their sales up 30% in just a few months. And they weren't a tech company. They weren't rolling in venture capital. They were just smart enough to realize that AI could give them an edge. It's that simple. Let me give you some perspective. I've worked with small businesses, even individual solopreneurs that thought AI was overkill for their businesses. What I did was introduce them to ChatGPT and show them exactly what ChatGPT could do for their business, how they could write a book in very little time, or how they could organize the material that they needed for their inventory, or how they needed to prepare their agenda for the upcoming meetings that they were going to have. Let me give you some perspective. I've worked with a number of small businesses, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, and I've introduced them to ChatGPT, and I've shown them exactly what ChatGPT is capable of doing for them and their business. Don't shy away from it. It's not expensive to access. It's easy to use. And once you learn the basics of how to write the instructions for ChatGPT, you will be astonished by what it can do for you and your business. So don't shy away from it. They weren't tech companies. They weren't rolling in venture capital funding. They were just smart enough to realize that AI could give them an edge. It's that simple. In my own experience, when I led an international team that built the world's first autonomous robotic machine control system, people thought we were crazy, but we saw where the world was headed. The project revolutionized industries that hadn't seen major tech advancement in decades. We took companies that were running manually operated machines and introduced automation that saved millions in labor costs. And no, this wasn't some high-tech, cutting-edge industry. It was construction. It was the guys in hard hats and steel-toed boots, not tech wizards in Silicon Valley. The point, AI can transform any industry, including yours. Building your future with AI. So that's what's holding you back. Fear of the unknown, feeling like you're not techy enough. I get it, but I'm here to tell you that AI isn't some mysterious beast you need to tame. It's a tool, and once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever did business without it. You don't need to be an AI expert. You just need to know where to start. That's what I'm offering, a free audit call to help you figure out how AI can work for your business, not against it. Visit Igloo Digital Marketing to book your call today. Let's build your AI roadmap, save you time, and most importantly, future-proof your business. Remember, in 2024, businesses that embrace AI will thrive. The ones that don't, well, you already know how that story ends.